Hello and welcome to another 11ty second 11ty, the show where we take a look at an 11ty concept in 110 seconds or less. Did you know that 11ty means 110? Well, now you do. In this video, we're going to take a look at fixing the content dates off by one common pitfall from 11ty, but not how the doc suggests it, but with 11tyComputed and directory data. Let's dive in. All right, let's start by talking about the problem. 11ty assumes that all the dates that you set in it are in UTC at midnight. The problem is when it builds, all the dates are actually in your time zone. We need to fix that. Not how the documentation suggests in the common pitfall area, which is to either use nunjucks, which I don't want to do right now, I'm using liquid, or to set a new liquid filter. We could do that, or we could set this as data in our data file in posts. So we have a simple blog, we have a post.11ty.data.js file, and that's going to be where we set our layout and our tags to make this a collection, but it can also be where we set our new date string. So first we're going to require the date time from the Luxon library, which is a time library. It comes bundled with 11ty, so no need to npm install this. And then we're going to use the 11tyComputed object, and that's going to run at the last layer of our data cascade and allow this to be added at the last second and also have all the data that's available in the other pieces of the cascade. We're going to set a new date string property, and that date string is going to be a method. It's going to have all the data at this point from 11ty added in, but we're going to destructure just to get the page data. And then we're going to run through the date time from JS date. That's going to take the page.date JavaScript datetime. We're going to set the time zone to UTC, and then run through the toLocale string method in Luxon and set that string to one of the handy pre-formatted options available. In this case, datetime date full. We're going to save that in. We're going to go ahead and put a new paragraph here and display it from post.data.dateString. Save that in, and now we have two different dates. One is December 31st, one is January 1st. January 1st and February 1st. So now we have solved this with a string that's available anywhere that this post data is available. So the 11ty off by one date issue is a common pitfall. It is kind of annoying. You can solve it with nunjucks by using two UTC string inside of your template, or you can solve it with a new liquid filter, or you can create your own string and use one of the many helpful functions inside of Luxon inside of your directory data file, which you probably already have because you have a blog. So thanks so much for watching. If this was helpful or interesting, like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you on the internet, and thanks for doing amazing things with 11ty.